Well, this is day 0. It's surgery evening. It's about 7 o'clock at night. And this is in November, so it's, nice and dark and chilly. And the nerve block is still working strong. So I'm not feeling any kind of pain. I am icing. I got ice underneath this blanket just because I started feeling like I had like a heating pad on my shoulder, even though the nerve block, I don't feel pain, but I can feel just hot. And I thought I'd better start icing. And I'm just trying to think what else to share with you guys. The recliner tip, 100%. Everybody said get a recliner. I got a recliner. Many people have borrowed one. I had some savings and went out and bought one that really felt comfortable for me, so that was awesome. For me, I was able to start drinking water and started testing my tummy pretty soon after getting out of surgery. And that was great because I was pretty darn thirsty. I started with just some sliced apple, thinking that the pectin would be good for my tummy. I did ask for anti-nausea pills because when I was a little kid, when I had anesthesia, I would always wake up sick. Anesthesia meds have changed, but they still gave it to me, which was awesome. And that really helped a lot. And I feel very clear mind because I'm not taking any of the pain meds yet. I'm going to start that a little bit later tonight. My doctor advised taking my first pain pill before I go to bed. The nerve block wears off in the middle of the night, so I'm also setting an alarm to wake up and continue with the pain meds. Stay ahead of the pain is what everyone has told me. Tons of advice about that. Start taking your pain meds before you feel the pain. Also, I got my little area here set up, a few days ahead of time and started making sure it was comfortable. There's 2 tables there. So usually this table is on my left side, but I can't use my left arm. So we moved everything to the right side. And I've got my glasses, something to write with. There's crosswords. There's a book to read. Earphones. So if I want to listen or watch to something and not disturb anyone, I can because I am in the living room. And that seemed to be the best place to put the chair and have me set up. And there's only 1 or 2 other people in the house at any point in time. And so I'm kind of dominating the living room for a little bit. I'm trying to think what else. You can see I have my meds. And I set alarms on my phone, which I think I already mentioned. I also have bottles of water that are here. I have a little grabber tool, my laptop, a couple pillows, like everything is just kind of here on the right side. It's very cluttered, but that's the side that I can reach. On my left side, because the outlet is there, I have a ice machine ready to go. So I have just like ice pads, like blue ice pads, and that's what I'm using right now. But then there's the ice machine, and I'm going to get someone to help me get that put on, and I'll be using that as well. Anyway, day 0, I'm doing pretty well at the moment, thanks to the nerve block. I'll check in again. Bye-bye.